It's scary. Like, dude, in California, it sucks that we have to literally be on a swivel at all times looking for cops. Always looking around for cops. Always scared to drive our cars. Like, it just sucks, bro. You shouldn't have to be scared to drive your nice car, you know? That's just how it is here in California, bro. You always have to be worried to get pulled over or get a state rep or have them pop your hood. Like, that's actually crazy. I can't believe it's actually a real thing. I can't believe cops really do that, bro. Like, if I was a cop, I would never pop somebody's hood, bro. Like, what kind of crap is that? You become a cop because you want to fight crime, not pop hoods and look for, is that intake modified? Do you have a modified exhaust or a muffler? Like, it's so dumb, bro. Like, there's no way you became a cop to do that, bro. There's nothing cool about that at all. I'd be the coolest cop, I swear. I would literally give all the car guys thumbs up. And what's crazy is I think in other states, other cops are chill, huh? For the most part. Cali cops are just, dude, this is something else. I swear.